Hi, I'm Carly Reid from CX Today, bringing you all the latest news and conversation from the customer experience technology industry. Now, today I'm talking to Jeff from CallMiner, and we'll be discussing their leading conversation analytics platform. Welcome, Jeff.
Hi, Carly. Thanks for having me again. Really looking forward to it.
Not at all. Lovely to have you with us today. So, Jeff, thanks for joining us. How about we kick off with a quick intro? Tell us about what you do.
Um, it's easy to talk about myself. Let's see. Jeff Gallino. I am the Chief Technology Officer and founder of CallMiner. I'm also responsible for kind of various strategic things. I'll put it that way, but primarily around strategic alliances, that sort of thing. It blends with the CTO job, so it's kind of fun. Let's see. I'm a Virgo, and I like long walks in the forest.
Great stuff. Okay, so I'm a Pisces, which means we're compatible, Jeff,
There
which
you
is good
go.
to know. So, Jeff, you've spoken to CX Today before, but for the benefit of those who've not seen our previous interview, can you perhaps provide a brief overview of CallMiner and its conversation analytics platform?
Great. Yeah. I mean, you basically have said it. CallMiner builds a conversation analytics platform, primarily bringing in any interaction between an enterprise and its customers. So whether that's a chat, an email, a voice phone call through the digital forums, blogs, social, if you're communicating directly with that end customer, we bring that information onto our platform. We organize it so that it's all in the same level of data structure, which means for us, a call, a chat, an email are the same thing. And then we enrich it. We add topic analysis. We use AI to better tag insights. We use semantic rules to create what we call categories for customers. All of that rolls up to scores and then can be operationalized across your enterprise in a variety of ways. So a lot there.
Fantastic, Jeff. And I see that CallMiner's recently launched some major advancements across the platform. Can you perhaps tell us a little bit about the industry forces that drove those updates?
Yeah, the industry today is, well, it's certainly chaotic a little bit. There's a huge amount of consolidation, acquisitions, roll-ups. A lot of things are happening there. But some major trends have emerged in the past year and a half, 2 years, driven in part by the pandemic, but mostly driven by an output of the pandemic, which is digital transformation. You know, we've spent 10, 12 years talking about the coming transformation. We're past that now. It happened. And so we're responding to it. A big part of that transformation was pulling enterprises to more cloud-based approaches. So CCaaS instead of contact center, right? And now it's virtualized, distributed contact centers powered by, in most cases, multiple CCaaS providers. So building integrations to that, working inside of that ecosystem, because it's no longer, hey, come buy our product, we service the one need you have. It is definitely, here is our ecosystem. How can we best fill the needs you uniquely have? So that's a very big part of what we're doing, and it's driving a topic we'll talk about in a moment, our current next release, and it's really driving acquisitions for us, everything. So we're really embracing this change.
Brilliant stuff. Thanks, Jeff. And you mentioned the autumn release. So can you delve into a little bit more detail for us and maybe tell us the top three updates that were included in your latest release?
Three. Okay. I'll do that. I'll start with what we just mentioned, kind of the cloud-based CCaaS integrations. It's not enough anymore to service both your agents and your customers in the contact center world, or your salespeople in the B2B sales world, another area that we work in. They want to have that feedback. They want to have that information. They want to have it all in real time. So a very big part of this current release is expanded integrations with those CCaaS providers, 5.9 voice stream, LiveVox shadow audio. We're working on several others. I won't go into their names until we've done the full release. But the idea is that you not only want to provide employee experience guidance to your agents, you want to help the people in marketing understand how your brands are being mentioned, how how your customers reacting, what products are being talked about, all of that bundled up in real time. So as it happens, feedback happens, you're able to retain customers better. A lot of really fun things. As a part of that, it's expanding on something that we released mid-year called OVITS, the Open Voice Transcription Standard. And we've since had, I want to say, 12 companies join us in that standard. And the idea here is enabling existing investment in technologies. So if you have already picked, like say you're a big Amazon shop and you've already picked the Amazon transcription system, we can use that and still give you that best of class analytics. So we've done that. And we also realized that our customers, the big thing they ask for us every single time is, we love what you have, keep making it better, but keep making it simpler. And one of the things you get from being in the business for, almost 20 years now is that you have a lot of features. And so simplification is a very big deal to us. And we're doing that by deploying a lot of machine learning and AI and other technologies like that to boost the usability, the ease of use, those sorts of things. And then part of what this digital transformation brought us is a new way of communicating. I mean, I know this is video, but let's be honest, 3 or 4 years ago, this might have been a podcast, could have been a webinar, that sort of thing. But we're all very comfortable talking to each other's faces now. And so adding Microsoft Teams, adding Zoom, and adding other voice and video platforms as a fundamental communications methodology, I'd go those are the top 3.
Fantastic stuff, and really great customer feedback as well. It's always good to hear.
Yeah.
So, Jeff, what do these updates mean for your new and existing CallMiner customers, and I suppose CallMiner's presence in the market?
There's a lot going on here. We talk about that digital transformation, and one thing that people expected out of the digital transformation was the death of voice. They've been heralding the death of voice for as long as I've been doing voice, more than 20 years. It's going to go away. Voice over IP will kill it. And then digital transformation will kill it. And now Zoom and Teams will kill it. Nope. The reality out of the pandemic is voice has gone up in usage. Now, don't get me wrong. All of these other platforms have come in. And what's really happened is customer experience has expanded. People want to talk to their other industries. So what are these updates? What exactly does that mean for CallMiner? It means that our voice platform works very, very well and helps them handle that volume of voice coupled with all of those other channels of information that come in. And we continue to innovate, we continue to grow so that we can service those new and unique customer needs.
Brilliant stuff. And Jeff, are these enhancements now available to all of your customers? And if so, what's next for CallMiner?
They are absolutely available. Some of the features, the integrations to things like LiveVox and Zoom, those are available this quarter. They're handled in this release, but we're going to continue to add features. We do feature ads every month. We do a release of the software. This is a major platform release to include new visualization, new UI, new workflows. And then, of course, we added to the company family, Oryx. We made that acquisition public a little while ago. And that's foundational technology around the voice products, both premise traditional voice as well as the CCaaS, UCaaS, new kind of voice. So we're there. And so it made sense for that technology to become a part of our stack natively.
Brilliant stuff. Thanks, Jeff. I've really enjoyed speaking to you today, as usual. So thank you so much for joining me.
Thank you, Carly. As always, a pleasure. Look forward to next time.
Me too. So that's it from us. If you've enjoyed our conversation, then please do give us a shout out on social. And if you're a CX fan and want to see more like this, then you can subscribe to our weekly newsletter at cxtoday.com. I'm Carly Reid from CX Today. Thanks for watching.